Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable do not disturb mode on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.2. Now to enable do not disturb mode on your iPhone, just go to your home screen. Now from here just swipe down from the upper right corner on the display to open the control center. Now from here, just tap and hold on the focus option and enable do not disturb mode. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled do not disturb mode. And when the do not disturb mode is enabled, a small crescent icon will appear at the upper left corner on your display. And this is how you can enable do not disturb mode on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.